All right, guys, good morning. Today we have a service call here at a veterinarian hospital slash clinic. They're having no cool for their recovery room. That's where all the dogs and animals go after they have been treated. So this is the guy right here. It's not cooling. They said they were getting pretty much lukewarm temperature out of the vent. So let's just check the pressures right away, because if it wasn't cooling, let's see. So the sitting pressure itself seems to be pretty low. So it seems like we're at 100. Let me go downstairs to the thermostat and kick the unit on so we can see the temperatures while it's running. I'll be right back. Okay, so the unit did come on downstairs. It is pretty cold outside right now, so I really can't go off of these pressures realistically because it's really cold outside right now. It's about 58 degrees. This guy seems to be a bit low, but then again, like I said, it's not that hot, so it's not really going to be able to extract as much heat right now. So I'm gonna give it some time. I'm gonna give it a couple minutes to kind of run and hopefully let this kind of guy equalize a little bit more, see if it goes up. I'll give it about 5 minutes, and then I'll start turning down the unit, check the compressor, and then we'll go from there. Check all the electrical, you know, capacitors, contactors, all that good stuff. But let's give it like a couple minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I give it a few minutes. The unit is R22. Pressures are a little bit low. Let's just open this guy up. Okay, so 2 contactors, both of them are pushed in. So the compressor is sweating. Do have a cap. So let's kill power to the unit and then check everything. Okay. So this contactor, this capacitor is not in the best shape. Let's see if we even get a reading on of it. 4.7. Okay, so we still got 4.7. Someone wrote here before 4.7. All right, so quick little update. For this unit right now we were working on, I will not be able to conduct a thorough diagnosis right now because it's pretty cold outside and I can't get accurate readings right now for the pressures. My superheat was all over the place. Everything was all over the place. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go run a maintenance call real quick, and then around maybe 12 or 1, when it starts to get warmer, I will call to ask how the AC is keeping up, and then we'll go from there. But for now, we're gonna have to leave it how it is, and we might have to come back later or tomorrow or not at all. because the system was cooling. So, but yeah. All right, guys. So we are back here at this call where we were here yesterday, and we were getting no cool. Well, we were getting cool air coming out of it. The pressure seemed to be a little bit low yesterday when I came out, but it was really cold. It was super cold in the morning. I wasn't getting accurate readings. I didn't get an accurate superheat. So I'm back now. It's the next day. So in the time frame of the day that went by, it seems like they got no power down at the thermostat. Like the thermostat is off completely. So what I'm gonna start right now is I'm gonna start here at the disconnect and make sure that we are getting power, make sure that the fuses are good, make sure that they look good. The system is from 1997, so it is on the older side. It is R22, so let's just hope that the unit is still running and it's still good. So I'm going to take the cover off of this first. So let's see something real quick. No power. No power. Well, the disconnect is off right now, so let's go ahead and give the disconnect power. Before that, I want to check the fuses. Make sure that the fuses are not bad, you know. Just push those guys in. That one's good. Seems like we might have a bad fuse in the middle, so there's that. Okay, so before I even go get a fuse, I want to check everything first. I want to check the fan, I want to check the compressor, make sure that the compressor is not grounded. So we're going to check each one to ground. Nothing. See what ohm readings we get. .8, 64.1, 62.8. Okay, so I got 64 from T2, T3, T2, T3. I am getting make sure these are these are all in correctly. So from T3 to T2, now it's just fluctuating. Now it's just going crazy. 66. So it goes from OL to 1.8. Okay. I don't know. Something's weird. Oh, I'm just getting OL now. OL. Let's check continuity. You go to a solid ground, then we go to the copper here. Oh,
Oh no, this compressor's done. Yeah, this compressor's done. Yep. The compressor's done. Okay. So that's unfortunate because this unit's from 97 to R22 unit, so that's unfortunate. So I think we found the issue with this system. That's why the fuse, one of the middle fuse, that's why it gave out, because this compressor is just done. So I don't know if you guys can see, I have a little bit of copper exposed right here. Make sure my lead goes on that nice and firm. So this one kinda ground, okay. Whoop, that solves that. Okay, so let me go down and let them know that they have a grounded compressor. And unfortunately, I mean, if they want to go with the replacement of the compressor, at this point it's going to be really expensive. So you guys see, like these are good. These are good. Ground. Okay, well, let's go down there and let them know, and then we'll just write up the quote for the system replacement, and then hopefully they'll be able to take care of it, because it's for a hospital, for a veterinarian hospital, so they need the cooling. It's a recovery room, so I feel bad for the animals. They don't have cool right now, but I wish there was a way we can get them up and running. But yeah, let's go down there and let's talk to them real quick. All right, so went ahead and let them know the compressor is grounded. They want us to write up a quote and send it out so they can replace the unit. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for today. I wish we could at least get something going for them right now, at least some AC, some cooling for that room, but it's not really much. So they were saying they're probably gonna get some kind of stand-up units, at least for now, just to put it in one of the rooms. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, I'd appreciate it if you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.